Dealerships routinely charge upwards of $100 to replace an engine air filter during a standard service. You can bypass this inflated cost completely by purchasing a $15 replacement filter and installing it yourself in 2 minutes. The engine air filter box is usually located right behind the vehicle battery. It is a large black plastic housing secured by simple metal spring clips or standard Phillips head screws, depending on your specific car model. Unfasten the metal clips on the sides of the plastic housing using just your fingers. Carefully lift the top cover of the air box straight up to expose the dirty paper filter resting securely inside the lower tray. Pull the old engine air filter out of the housing and inspect the pleats. If you see dark gray dust, leaves, or heavy debris packed between the paper ridges, the unit is restricted and requires immediate replacement. Take your new $15 filter and press it down firmly into the exact same position. Verify the rubber gasket surrounding the new filter sits perfectly flush against the plastic edges to prevent unmetered air leaks. Lower the top cover back down over the fresh filter. Snap the metal spring clips into their locked positions to fully seal the housing. You just completed the job and saved $85 in unnecessary dealership labor fees.